via low voltage signals.
The outside air enthalpy is below the...
First take the initial reading.
EU is a 1.5 horsepower.
One week's worth of data. We're looking at where our baselines were,